Hi, let's solve next previous question of regular language TOC. This question was asked in GATE CS 2018, question number 6. It is a 1 mark question. Let n be a NFA with n state. Let k be a number of state in the minimal DFA which is equivalent to n. Equivalent to n means equivalent to NFA. Which one of the following is necessarily true? 4 option is given. This is a direct question. I already discussed during lecture what is relation between number of state in NFA and number of state in DFA. So number of state in DFA is less than equal to 2 power number of state in NFA. Here given number of state in NFA is n. Here it is written let n be a NFA with n state and number of state in DFA is k. Now just substitute here. So number of state of DFA, that is k, will be less than equal to 2 power n. So k is less than equal to 2 power n. Now just check in which option it is present. It is present in option D. So answer will be D. This is a direct question. You just remember I already discussed how. If any doubt, just ask me in comment. Thank you.